Okay, so here's the clapping pattern for Ná cur the bhróga the lava. It's quite similar to the last one I posted, except this time it's swing, which means the beat isn't subdivided evenly. Like I said before, if you don't know what that means, don't worry about it. You can do it by ear. So you clap your right hand on your knee, left hand on your knee, hands together. Then you're going to hit your chest. Then you're going to clap the back of your hand on your hand, back of your right hand on your knee, back of your left hand on your knee, and both hands together. So I'll do it slowly a few times and you can try and clap along. And then a little bit with words, slowly again. Ná cur the bhróga the lava, by the stocky bota, by the vuntor crota. Ná cur the bhróga the lava, cur the bhróga the Seán, etc., etc. Okay, good luck teaching it to your class. Let me know how you get on. Okay, bye.